Hi there, theme park enthusiasts, and thanks for watching another park review edition from Big Guy Rides. The next park that we went to visit was called Schnepf Farms, located in Queen Creek, Arizona. This is only open a couple of months out of the year during the Halloween and fall seasons. So if this is a park that you'd like to visit, I would recommend to get there during the months of September or October. The first ride that we got on at the park was the train that takes quite a big loop around almost the entirety of the park. We gave it a ride rating 4 out of 10 and a size rating of an XL. As you can see, the carts are a little bit small for tall riders. My knees pressed against the seat in front of me, but I was able to ride, so let's take a spin. As the train goes around here, I will mention a few things about this park. First of all, most of the rides are included. However, if you'd like to purchase tickets for the train, you may do so at the train ticket window. If I recall, the tickets were $5 per person for the train ride. This park is well known for its Fall Festival and Chili Fest. There are many different vendors and local food spots available for you and your family to dine. It is also not entirely a ride park, as it is focused also on animals and a pumpkin patch. This seemed to be a really great place for families to come and just relax and enjoy the day, even if you are not a big rider. They also do a great job of creating some interactive kids' play areas. The park is split up into a couple of different sections, and towards the back you will find the main midway for most of the rides. Although this park does not have a lot of rides, they have been adding more and more in the recent years, and I hope they continue to invest in this property. And here we get to go through a little bit of the Haunt Tunnel. What a great ride that was with the train. And up next, we did a little bit of a walk around through the park. It has a great country and family feel to it, and an awesome fall atmosphere. They do have a 1925 Herschel Carousel. When I went, this was kids or accompanied by a kid only. And so as an adult, I wasn't able to ride. But if you do have children, you should be able to get on the carousel. They also have a couple of different pumpkin patches you can pick out pumpkins from to take home. And then next we went over to get on the gravity coaster called Silver Mine Express. This is a very unique coaster and a really rare credit made by Myler Manufacturing. This one gives you multiple laps around the small course, and I was super thrilled to get this ride in. Singles may ride alone, allowing for a decent amount of room, but the cars are a little tight to get into, with a size rating of a large and a ride rating 5 out of 10. With that said, let's hit the track. What a fun ride that was. And after that, we went over to the swings. This is one of the smaller swing rides I've ever been on, but it still offered a little bit of fun. I gave it a ride rating 3 out of 10 and a size rating of a large. The swing seats are a little bit tight for those with large hips, but I was able to ride, so let's go around. And after that, we went over to check out some of the kids-only rides, including the Rock Wall, the Flying Farmer's Planes, and the Huff and Puff. As mentioned, in this Central Midway lies most of the rides for adults and children. And they also have added a tilt-a-whirl, which adults are able to ride. They also have a free corn maze if you would like to get lost in the land. And one of the other adult rides I did not get on was the Hyperloop. Unfortunately, I won't have a ride or a size rating on that, but it sure looks like a great ride. The ropes course is a great place for the little ones to play, and I would highly recommend catching the pig races. After that, we went over to the hay ride. This is one of the signature attractions at Schnepf Farms, and I would definitely recommend stopping by to get a ride on the hay wagon through the pumpkin patch. They have tractors coming about every 5 minutes, and they can seat about 10 to 20 each, so be sure to get in line to catch your ride. Just note, some of these hay rides are not handicap accessible, so keep that in mind. And with that brings to an end our visit at Schnepf Farms located in Queen Creek, Arizona. This is a really cute, fun, family-style theme park and pumpkin patch, only open for a couple of months of the year, so I would recommend to plan your visit. With that said, we ask you to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're at the park, don't be afraid to try. Happy riding, everybody. Thanks for watching Big Guy Rides.